Well, absolutely no doubt about it. When you ask Jerry Ryan to do something for you, he is the man to get it done. He's presented this man here. Dan Hawkins is with us. You are the best in the business as far as Jerry is concerned, and I would take his word any day. You're going to cook the barbecue. I'm just going to watch, am I?
You're cooking the barbecue.
They look sharp, those knives.
You be careful. All right, the fire's ready, you're ready, I'm ready. Yeah, let's do it. So we're going to look at some goat chops in the Dometic cooler there, if you want to grab those out for us.
There we go.
That's it. So these are Strathbogie goat cutlets.
Goat?
Goat, that's right. It's the most consumed meat in the world. They look a lot like lamb chops, right, but these are goats. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a good splash of oil, and I'll get this on there. Yep. So what we're going to do, we're going to give them a good little season up, then they're going to go straight on the coals. Right. The goat chops is not all we're cooking today. We've got a few of zucchinis, we've got a salad to go with that. Can't have a bloody fire without a banger, can you? So I reckon that's your job now. All right. Off you go.
So you want me to throw these straight on?
Yeah, they can go straight on. You be careful, it's a bit hot down there.
Yeah, I've been to a barbecue before, Dan. Hey, Dan, when I was walking around Nagambie today and I was asking the citizens of Nagambie what we should be cooking, just about to a T, they all said sausages, mate. Is that all you got up here, sausages?
It's not all we've got up here, but I can guarantee you the sausages we've got today are some of the best in the business. It's called the bush banger.
Right.
Specifically, it's a bit of a Nagambie region sausage, actually. You want me to take over?
It gets hot, Dan.
She gets hot, mate.
They're all coming to a conclusion at the same time. I reckon they're not, well, you're the man, are they not far off?
They're not far off, mate, you've done a splendid job.
Well, mate, I see a couple of my mates rolling up in the background over there, ready to go. So are you going to stay with us and eat, by the way?
Yeah, I'll stick around for tea, yeah.
All right, let's go, mate. What do we do with these?
Yeah, we're going to get them off. I've got some fire roasted figs here. Going to finish it with those figs, goats and figs. Great combination. Wow. I'll knock that up for you guys and we'll be into dinner.
This is looking good, mate. Hang on, you guys. I'm still cooking. Well, what a great couple of days it's been at Nagambie. Tanya and I have thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We're going to finish it off by talking and having a barbecue with friends. So I'm going to excuse myself. Please come to Nagambie at some stage. It's a great place. I'm going to go and join my friends.